Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to buy products from Alibaba and sell them on Amazon using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Alibaba app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, use the search bar to find the product you want to sell. Next, tap Contact Suppliers or Chat Now to ask about price, minimum order, shipping time, and payment method. Confirm everything before placing an order. Always double check the product quality and supplier ratings. Once you are happy with the details, tap Add to Cart and then Pay Now. Use trade assurance or a secure payment method. Make sure your shipping address is correct and keep a record of your order. While your products are shipping, open the Amazon Seller app and create listing. Upload clear photos, write a detailed description, and set a competitive price. You can also choose Fulfillment by Amazon FBA to store and ship products automatically. When your product arrives, check them for quantity and quality. If you are using FBA, and send them to an Amazon warehouse. Once ready, your listing goes live and customers can start buying. You just own your first Amazon revenue, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.